Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Range Rover. It's a 2010 year model and I'm having a problem with my thermostat which gone bad and started overheating, and I got the new part. It's a thermostat and it's very easy and a simple process. By doing yourself you can save a lot of money and also it's fun. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I already have removed the engine cover and I'm going to show it to you at this moment what exactly I'm going to be doing, and you just follow along. In order to remove this assembly, we're going to remove these metal clamps. One here, and one here. We're going to use the straight screwdriver. I already have loosened it. This one has a long hose which is connected all the way back, and that one is very easy to remove it. That one has a ring. You push it and you turn it and it will comes out. So once the pipe is removed, and we're going to remove this, and this one is, once you wiggle out, this one comes out. So once they are loose like this is all you need. We're going to, and once you move it, it comes out like this. Now we're going to move this one, pull it. This is going to pull out right from the throttle body is hooked up. This is what I was mentioning about the clamp. So it comes out from here. And now we can turn around and we can put this one on the side. We don't need to remove it. If you want to remove it, you can remove it. I'm going to lose this clamp also. Once it's loose, I'm going to pull this one out. The whole reason I did it, so we have enough room to work with. I'm going to remove this cover, the fan cover or radiator cover. In order to remove it, it's very easy. You just pull these hose out, and it has an electrical connector on it. You just pull these out. These tabs are there. So one here, one at the bottom. So we're going to take out of the groove from this side and then we'll slide out. Don't force it, and it easily comes out. And now we have enough room so we can work on it. So the thermostat is located here, and we're going to remove these clamps. One here, one at the bottom, and one all the way at bottom. This is the new thermostat. This is the whole assembly. You can see one hose here, one here, one at the bottom. The one at the bottom, that is a little different. That one has a pin. You need to use a straight screwdriver. We're going to pull the pin out, then the hose will come out. The rest of them has these clamps. In order to remove these clamps, I'm going to use this plier. I'm going to place the plier right on top of it. I'm going to squeeze it, and it will open. So you just go like this. So it comes out. So now this one is free, and I'm going to do the same thing, the rest of the clamps. One tip I like to share with you that once we're going to open the hose at the bottom, the antifreeze is going to come out. So we're going to place the bucket underneath so that we can collect all the antifreeze and then discard it properly. Now we need a T30 Torx driver. After removing all the hoses, this is the thermostat. And this is the screw which requires T30, and it's a Torx bit. So we're going to remove that. After losing the clamp at the bottom, you need a screwdriver. And as I shown you the pin right here, which you put the screwdriver in and you pull the pin out. So once we pull the pin out, then we're going to pull this one out. And this is how the thermostat comes out. So this is the older thermostat, we pulled it out, and this is the newer one. For the older part, we're going to remove this housing. Once we pull this pin out, then we're going to take this one out, then we're going to slide it in, and that pin going to fit in here. This is the older thermostat, and as I mentioned earlier, that we need to remove the bottom portion. And now we're going to install the thermostat in a reverse order. As you can see, this is the old one, we took it out, and the new one is installed in place. And all the clamps are securely placed, and the pin is also installed right there. The tip I'd like to share with you that place the adapter into the thermostat, then it's easier to install the housing. If you try to do it before, then it will be harder to put it on. The screw is screwed in, and now we're going to put this cover back. After placing everything back, we're going to put the cover back on. That's how it's easy to change your thermostat. It's not really easy, but if you know how to do it and what steps you needed, then it can be very easy. Now the final step will be top off the coolant, drive, test it, and see if it solves our heating problem. So if this video helps you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please give me thumbs up and please share. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.